Moses here from GuitarChimp.com. Today I'm playing a 1991 Ibanez Gem in Desert Yellow through a Marshall Vintage Modern. And we're going to be checking out the Rainger FX Dr. Freakenstein Fuzz. When I saw this fuzz pedal at the NAMM show in 2016, I could hardly contain myself with how cool I thought it was. So as soon as we got it in, I spent hours playing with it. It has overtones built into it so that you're constantly getting an octave, whether that's high or low. You can adjust a knob to really dial that in, but it also comes with a switch that changes the high or low. It also has its own little expression system that is actually a pressure pad as opposed to being a levered expression pedal. That can be used in two different settings, one to change the overtones and the other to change what is essentially functioning like a phaser. That's a mod that you can turn off and on. This pedal is the filthiest fuzz pedal you're going to find, so let's jump in and have some fun. The Rainger FX Dr. Freakenstein Fuzz is the perfect pedal for someone who wants to experiment with their tone. All the overtones you can get out of it will blow your mind. There's a knob to adjust the amount of overtone you're getting. There's two inputs for the Igor expression pressure pad. One to adjust the overtone, so you can really sweep up and down in it, or there's one that adjusts the mod. The mod is that sort of phaser-like sound that you have on here. You can also adjust the speed of that mod. You can get sort of a super fast, wobbly Leslie type of a sound, or a super slow sweep through it. Has a volume output, and the gauge that's here on the bottom, that actually functions when you're not using the mod as your input level, tells you what your input level is. And when the mod is engaged, it shows you the backlight functions, showing you where in the sweep it is. This works with 9-volt as well as any 9-volt power supply, and it is mind-blowingly awesome. So pick one up if you can. GuitarChimp.com. We got this and a whole lot more.
It's